We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver just to open up this clip. Hold it open with your thumb and open up to the other side and pull that harness off. Matching up the harness to the factory harness, go ahead and line that up. Press it in until it clips into place. Alright, in order to attach this here, you're going to use the supplied zip tie harness. And we're just going to attach it to this main harness right now. It kind of keeps it up out of the way. Just tuck it up underneath, snug up the harness. Doesn't create any sort of heat or anything, so that'll just keep it out of the way. Finish it off by snipping the unused portion of the zip tie.